Hi, I'm Jack Mock, and this is my TED Talk about environmental awareness. Well, it's simple. We're killing the planet. Global warming is one thing, but land, air, and water pollution is another thing. One of the main land pollution is becoming a serious problem over the last decade or so, and that's because the main 6 causes of that are landfills, deforestation, mining, industrialization, human sewage, and agricultural chemicals. The 2 biggest out of the 2 are industrialization and deforestation. Industrialization has gone up over the last decade or so because more food, shelter, and other goods are needed, so more buildings are being made, which leads to deforestation. Deforestation is basically, we cut down trees and don't replant them, and then the land turns into barren being land that can't be used anymore. Another big problem is water pollution. There's a spot in the Pacific Ocean that is at least twice the size of Texas and is getting bigger as we speak. And that's because we just throw garbage in the ocean and lakes and rivers, thinking it won't affect anything. Well, it does. Each year, 15 million children under the age of 5 die to drinking diseased water. And again, this is because we just throw garbage in the water. Along with children, 100,000 sea mammals die each year to getting caught in garbage or eating garbage. Another big problem is cruise ships. They contaminate at least 35,000 gallons of water each year due to oil spills. The last issue I'll be talking about today is global warming. You probably all know about global warming. It's temperature rise. It's the temperature rise due to our pollution that we do. And over the last year or so, the temperature has gone up 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit, and it makes things melt, like in the Arctic. Along with temperature rise, another big problem is extreme temperatures. So along with extreme highs, some of the coldest winters have been experienced in these last few years. There's lots of stuff we can do to try to help save the Earth, such as reduce, reuse, recycle, and that doesn't just mean use a recycling can, although that is helpful. We also need to reduce on the amount of plastic we use by using a reusable grocery bag or taking papers, because that's recyclable. Even simple stuff like using long-lasting light bulbs, signing up for cleanup crews, or just planting a tree. Another way we could help is composting, and that can help you as well. Composting is the natural process of decomposition, and you can compost like paper straws, paper plates, and leftover food items, and it makes a humus-rich soil so you can garden, and then you can start a garden so farmers don't have to use toxic chemicals if you're making your own food. Oh yeah, one more fact. In places of like China and Asia, the air pollution is also getting really bad. It's even toxic just to breathe there. That's another big problem. Thank you for listening to my TED Talk about environmental awareness. I hope we can save the Earth.